In today's digital world, creators face a fundamental problem: protecting their work while getting paid for it. Meet Suede Labs, the blockchain platform that's revolutionizing how intellectual property works in the age of AI. Here's how it solves the problem. First, you register your work on the blockchain, upload your audio, image, or data file, and Suede mints a specialized IP account, creating an immutable, on-chain record that proves you own it. Next, you choose how others can use your work. Select from ready-made license templates, non-commercial for free remixing, commercial use for standard rights, or exclusive licenses for premium access. Each license is programmable. You set the terms and even control AI training permissions. Here's where it gets powerful: derivative tracking. When someone remixes your work, Suede automatically links the original to the derivative on-chain. Attribution flows instantly. Royalties split automatically through smart contracts based on the terms you set. No invoicing, no delays. Just direct payments to your wallet. Everything happens through modular hooks you control: royalty splitters, AI training guards, and access allow lists. You customize your IP behavior exactly how you want. Powering the next generation of IP, Suede Labs streamlines the entire journey from creation to monetization, giving creators the protection and payment system they deserve. The future of IP is programmable. The future is Suede.